Welcome to another What's in Our Bag video. Today we're sharing what we pack for the Disney parks. If you want to see what we pack for Universal Studios, click the link above. Now let's get into the video. For Disney we pack a little differently. There are no bag restrictions on rides, we also stay the entire day, and we take more photos and film. Let's start with what Colin packs.
I bring my Oakley waterproof backpack because it has enough storage and space for all the things I bring. I also bring our video camera, a Joby GorillaPod, our GoPro with an attached mini tripod, and an extra battery. I also bring my phone with a portable charger and cable, my wallet in case the Magic Band doesn't work, or emergencies. I bring an insulated water bottle to keep my water cold, my sunglasses, a hat, and my rain jacket in case it rains. And don't forget the Magic Band. If I know we're going to do some serious filming that day, then I'll pack our Canon DSLR and external mic. Now, on to what Joelle packs.
I use this travel-on backpack because it has a lot of storage. Then I have an insulated water bottle to keep my water cold, a foldable rain jacket, sunglasses, my cell phone, a portable charger and cable, a small wallet, snack bar, hand sanitizer, a cooling towel for those hot Florida days, my Magic Band, Mad Libs, which are great for waiting in long lines, my mini ears, tissues, sunscreen, Band-Aids, lip balm, ibuprofen, eye drops. Then I store it all in this pouch so it's more compact. Also, with the new restrictions, don't forget your face mask. That's all on our end. Let us know what items you bring to the parks that we may have forgotten. All the items shown are in the description below if you're interested.
Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from us, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.